so I am so excited because right now I am in Taiwan and this is the home of bubble tea.
Yes, everything
Right.
about bubble tea.
Everything about bubble tea, and I know a lot of my viewers are interested in bubble tea. So this is Mike, the general manager of FOKUS,
Yeah.
and they are the bubble tea specialists.
My name is Mike, and we are at the FOKUS Inc. office. We are a bubble tea consultant and material supplier in Taiwan. And our slogan is just focus on focus, because we hope all of our customers to focus on their own business. It's not like you handle someone to do it. No, you have to do it. This is our main goal for our business.
So one of the most important questions amongst those that are planning to start their bubble tea shop is how to select the right cup and what cup size to select. Do you have any tips for them?
Usually, if you are a new beginner, we will strongly suggest a PP cup as a standard. Yes.
Tell us what PP cup is for those.
PP cup, there are usually 3 types. They are very popular. The first one is a white series, because this is the most standard, you can see everywhere, and this is the most economical option for the bubble tea shop. And the second one,
so these are the thinner cups, right? So
thinner cups.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and the second one is a Q cup. This is a very famous these years, since like 2 years ago, because this has a chubby bottom, so people really like it with the drink. Yes. And the third one is the hard cup. This one usually is famous with the cork, with a hard cork. So people say we call it like heart-shaped cup, because there is a heart shape on top, and the cup is hard, so it makes a very, very premium style of the drink. So when you grab it, people will see, oh, you are the Starbucks of a bubble tea.
But yes, this is very popular these days, and I think what's so good about this is that if we compare this with your Q cup, may I have that please? The same size. You can look at this. They are the same size, but this one looks like it gives you more value.
And tall.
But it's just a visual, right? It's just a visual effect. Nothing. The content is the same, right?
Yeah.
Tell us about the price. How different are these two in terms of price?
They are both PP, but the production method is different. This one is injection, and this one is a traditional way. So this type might need a little more time to produce. So the price is around 20 to 30% higher than the regular cup.
Okay. This is both PP. Do you have the what they call PET cups, PET cups?
We have PET. And we also want to show the PLA, which is the most trend, because right now every country and Canada, they started to ban the plastic. No matter it's a straw or the cups, they are not allowed to use in this. So we have a customer in Canada, they start to use the PLA cups, which is made of cane sugar, made of cane. So
what does PLA stand for?
This is made of cane, and this is for like more environmental friendly, because if you use it, you use the hot water to melt it, and you put into a sand, it will disappear, like compostable. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. So this type of
Can you
cups.
do a demo of that? No, just kidding.
Yeah. So this type
and the quality, it looks sturdy. It's better than PP.
Yeah, but as this cup is only on maximum only 50 degrees, so when we ship it, we will have a blanket on it to prevent the melting during the shipment. Yes.
Otherwise, by the time it gets to the customers,
it will all melt. Yeah.
That's the downside. Wow, I like it.
Yeah.
Wow. So this is another option for you guys. So PLA. And they're made here in Taiwan as well.
Yes.
What size would this be?
700.
700, and this is 500.
Yes.
And this is also PLA.
Also PLA 700. Just a little bit different shape.
Different shape.
Yes.
I like this. I'm sure you will as well.
Yeah.
Okay. And anything else you'd like to say about the cups?
The cups. We also have the paper cups. because this type of cup is much higher cost than this one. So some people will they will sacrifice a little bit. They use the paper cups, which are more economical options. And the only defect of this one is you cannot see the inside.
Right.
But it's also a good option for people that cannot use a plastic cup. They use a paper cup. And also we have some customer asking for the bowl. So if you want to serve some desserts or some ice cream or some fried food, if you need a bowl, you can also let us know. We can prepare for you. Yes.
Can I go a little bit back to the PLA?
Yes.
How much, when you said it is higher in price, how much higher than a hard cup, say?
I would say double.
Double?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's a big hurdle to overcome.
Yeah.
But which one is your most popular one amongst your customers?
I would say these two. The hard one and the Q cup.
Okay.
It's a very good option for those who want to start, and we suggest to have only 500cc and 700cc.
Also, that's actually my next question.
Yeah.
Do you suggest that shop should have two sizes?
I would suggest two sizes.
And why is that?
Because some people, if they are like for me, I'm over 30 years old. Maybe sometimes I don't want to have 700. So 500 might be a good option for them to order a small one and chubby and cute, and they don't want to drink that much. And also a good option for the customers to choose if they want to have different shape. Because some of our customers also use these cups with these cups.
Okay.
Like for 500 with a Q cup and 700 with the hard cup. This is also a good option for them to choose for which type of cup they want. Yeah.
Tell us about these.
This is basically some of our customers in USA. This is called Magic Pearls, and they want something for the Easter holiday because you know the rabbit, the egg, so they want something for it. So they asked us. So we found this cup for them. Ooh. It is very easy. It has 4 colors, and you can even put a straw on it. So it has a big dimension on the top. So you can put your drink very easily without pouring it. And you can also put a straw and you can bring back home and use for next year. So this is a very new product for us to promote the Easter holiday.
There you go. If you have any special designs, can your customer design themselves and that you make it?
Yes. This brand, I might not be able to say their name, but they asked us to customize the brown sugar. So we help them to make the 600 more to sell online, so they can sell online with their customer can bring back home to make their own bubble tea.
Okay, and sorry, it's just brown sugar?
Yeah, just brown sugar, and also this type of cup for their customers to bring back home, or they can use it to the shops.
Okay.
Yes.
This is becoming very popular now, right?
And this one can reuse, so it's also environmental friendly for people to use.
Right.
And also we have customer in USA. They asked us to make the tea bag, like a milk can. So this is black tea and this is green tea. So if you have any idea you want for your bubble tea shop, no matter what it is, just let us know. We will find for you.
So if you need any of these, and I really appreciate all the tips that you gave today.
Yeah.
And if you have any questions at all about any of these, do feel free to contact Mike here at FOKUS. I'll give you the details of their website and their address in the description box below.
Yeah, looking forward to your message. Yes.
Thank you so much for having us here.
Thank you.
And
Thank you, Riza.
We'll see you again.
Thank you.
That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.